Well, class, you've made it to week 7. So we are kind of on the downward slide into finishing our 9 weeks together. And I hope you're still having some fun, because I know I am. So this week is going to be interesting because we've learned how to find sources. Now we're going to learn how to evaluate those sources to make sure that we're using the best sources in our work. So, without further ado, let's head over into that PowerPoint because I know how much you love them. Week 7 is evaluating information, the CRAP test. I know it's an unfortunate acronym for a really good test to make sure that you're using credible information. So let's take a look at our Week 7 overview. This week, you're going to do, as usual, the weekly reading and watch the videos. You're going to respond to the Week 7 discussion. You're going to continue to work on your annotated bibliography assignment because the first annotation is due as the annotated bibliography peer review assignment. And then finally, you are going to submit the 5-minute reflection. So we've got a lot of things to do this week. Notice how we're starting to really hone in on that annotated bibliography. You're not able to do it at the last minute because you already have to have one annotation done this week to allow your peers to take a look and see how you're doing with your citing and your annotation. So let's take a look at our learning objectives. This week, we are going to be able to evaluate sources using the CRAP test, and you're also going to be able to write an annotation for a source. Pretty focused. Like I said, we are winding down, so from here on out, most of our focus is going to be on getting that annotated bibliography assignment done, because that is our summative assignment. It's going to encompass all the things that we've learned this semester. And to do that, this week our reading is going to be Chapter 6 in Choosing and Using Sources. We are going to be looking at the handout from Cal State Chico, their Merriam Library, which is Evaluating Information, Applying the CRAP Test. And then there's going to be another handout on what address endings mean. And that will help you when you're looking at things that are .govs or .edus or .coms or .orgs. That ought to give you a little bit more insight into which things are more credible. This week's media, there's going to be 2 videos. The first one is how to evaluate sources, and the second one is the CRAP test. That's our focus for the week, learning how to use the CRAP test and learning how to evaluate for credibility. As always, if you need help, you can contact me through the Canvas inbox. If Canvas is down, you can certainly email me at lrosen@fullcall.edu. You can call me at 714-992-7383, or you can drop by, make an appointment, and we can meet face-to-face. Any of those options work for me. I just want to make sure that you are working on your annotated bibliography, that you fully understand what is expected, and I am here to be your backup. So, I will talk to you later.